What's up, stock traders? Johnny Red here from Transparent Traders, and we're going to talk about how I decided to take AMD as a bearish trade and how that every one of you could have taken this trade because I provided you with the levels for bearish entry and the first target range and the second target range. We're going to also go over why I chose to be looking for this stock today and yesterday to trade. So, Monday, Tuesday, we took this for massive gains on the bullish side. Now we're going to go over how we decided to take this. I just wanted to take a second to show y'all this TT Blackbox on mobile. I wanted to kind of give you an idea of why I was looking at AMD as a bearish trade today. If you look on the black box, if we scroll this up, you can see that on Wednesday, basically after we sold out of the calls that we had played earlier in the week, Tuesday and Wednesday, this had started to alert as a bearish swing trade. So previously in the video that I did last week, and I'll kind of show you that, I gave you the bullish and the bearish rings. Now I put those out, the ranges, out to everybody so that they could see those. But what you have right here is this was our alert that that direction was coming. So all you had to do was play the ranges if you were a black box member. But if not a black box member, all you had to do was just sit there and watch and look for it, and you could have maximized profits. So let's move on to the video where I broke these levels down for you. What we're looking like. So for the bearish side of this, you can see that over the last week, it's been coming down here trying to test this one high 118 range. So if I was to enter this bearish, or this decided to turn from going bullish over the last week and a half to bearish, I'd be looking for a break below 118.28. And then just based off of the last kind of couple of weeks, just the next range I'm seeing from where once it got below 118.28, it had a lot of trading around this 115.60 line, and when it was below it, it kept on trying to test it to get back above it, as you can see on this area of the chart right here. So my first target would be 115.60, and then of course at the bottom range of that, where it tested so many times before it could finally break through each time, is at 112.93. But we're going to get into the bullish side. So as you can see here, folks, we have the AMD chart pulled up on Tradingview, and you can see right here, like I said in the video that I showed you earlier, that for this to go bearish, our entry was going to be 118.28, and we were looking for target ranges of 115.60 first, and then 112.93. I closed this out at 113, had 25 put contracts of the 135, and this is how I maximize my profit, basically trading AMD to the bearish. Now earlier in the week, we traded this the bullish way, and we made a killing on that as well. You can go back and you can watch that video, and I basically said break above 125, looking for 128 and 132, and you can come back here and you can see earlier in the week we broke above the bullish range and we ran. So this is just another way that we get successful trades here in the TT Blackbox. So as always, folks, base it's bad the wallet.